Hello everybody, it's part 3 of the rebuilt Dave made 2510s. Now my power supply only goes to 20 volts, so we won't be able to get a complete full test. We're going to start out at 15 volts just like a regular box. We'll start out like we always do, straight through SWR, 15 volts. Worldwide, really nothing. Oh, that's the input. Straight through, worldwide 0. Input SWR. Worldwide, close to nothing. 5 on reverse. Worldwide, or nothing. Of course, it ain't making no power radio drive. 1000 watt peak. This is at 14.8 volts. Worldwide. So we're just getting like 200 peak right there. No. I'm turning it off. We're gonna put 200 peak in. This is what 200 peak in at 15 volts. Worldwide, so that's 200 peak. And back on, average power. Back on slow, worldwide. So we're 700 average, 200 peak in. Worldwide, of course, you're gonna slam 1000. That's at 15 volts now, 12 pill. It's the 28 volt pills. 5000 watt slug, PEP, 15 volts, 200 peak in. Worldwide. Did I pick kid anymore? Oh yeah, I'm reading wrong scale. Hold on. Good. Okay, that middle scale is 10. That's 1000. Okay, 1, 2. So we're getting 1100 watts. 200 peak in, 15 volts, 1100 watts. All right, turn the driver on. This time we're going to be putting, let's see, just for kicks. Worldwide. Wait a minute, you can't drive it like that. Worldwide. This time we're going to be putting 300 peak in, okay? 300 peak in, 15 volts. Average power. Worldwide. 800 average. Now this is on 15 volts, 14.8 with a 300 watt drive. Worldwide. So we got 1500 peak. Not bad numbers for, not voltman like it's supposed to be. All right. Now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn that driver back off. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna crank my volts up as high as it'll go. Mine go 21.4, I think. You can say hello. So we're gonna be around 20 volts. So you gotta keep in mind, it's still got 8 more volts to go when you get the final output. So it's gonna be quite a bit more than this. We're gonna go 200 watt swing, 21 volts. Worldwide, get on down, 1000 average. 5000 watt PEP, 200 watt swing. Worldwide. So about 2,200 peak. But that's good numbers. We're gonna go over here and hit our 300 watt swing. So 300 watt swing at 21 volts, 1000 watt average, 20 volts actually. Worldwide. So we're running 20 points per side. Alright, so you gotta think there's 8 more volts there. So 5000 watt PEP. Worldwide, 2500 PEP. Get on down. So this for kicks. I'm gonna drive it just a little bit harder. I ain't got no fan on there. I want to back off of it a little bit here in a minute. Alright. We'll drive it just a little bit harder. We're gonna put about 500 peak in it. It's a little bit too much. We're just playing. 5000 watt slug. Worldwide. Almost 3000. Get on down. So as you see, you shouldn't have no problem whatsoever getting 2500 and 3000 with the 28 volts. It's pretty warm in there now. I got to get a fan on here. I've got a little pad over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put your 12 volt fan in here. You might consider wanting to order a 28 volt fan. I don't know. Just have to see how it holds up. If it runs, it'll run. If it don't, it'll burn out. I'm gonna put protection on it. Maybe it won't burn out your fan. Besides that, she's all ready to go. Part 3 of the Dave made 12 pill 2510 rebuild. I'm thinking 200 watt drive, 28 volts, about 3000 PEP. There she is, man. You can drive it, volt it, set your volts however you like. You said you're gonna use it for a driver. So there she is, back to life. Dave made. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. 018 Tennessee Beavers. Catch you later. Bye-bye.